Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. People say like, oh, prosciutto. This is the prosciutto. Everything's good.
There, and then you get a lot more rosemary and thyme.
Trends that continue to evolve within.
I do it with
Pick it up. Smell it.
tomatoes. I make them in the ice cream.